Okay, our grand champion will receive 75,000 pesos in cash and trophy. Our first runner-up will receive 60,000 pesos in cash. Our second runner-up will receive 50,000 pesos in cash. Consolation for non-winners will receive 10,000 pesos each. Best and street dance, 10,000 pesos in cash. Best in production design will receive 10,000 pesos in cash. Most indisciplined contingent will receive 10,000 pesos in cash. Best festival queen will receive 5,000 pesos in cash. So mato ang mga prizes. And now again, I will read you the criteria for judging. Criteria for street dancing, theme, concept, 20 points. Choreography, 20 points. Performance, 40 points. Costume, 10 points. Props, 10 points for a total of 100%. Criteria for Raina ng Pag-iusap. Beauty, 40%. Performance, 40%. Festival costume, 20% for a total of 100%. Criteria for Grand Showdown. Theme, concept, 20%. Choreography, 20%. Performance, 40%. Costume, 10%. Props, 10% for a total of 100%. So that was the criteria for judging. So to our 14 contingents, good luck. And again, thank you so much to our respective board of judges. Once again, thank you so much, Mr. Erwin M. Adobas. Thank you also to Ma'am Lori J. Enrique Zamora. We also have Sir Roger Enzomo Odrone. And of course, we also have our licensed professional teacher, Sir Danilo Cabezas Vilabos. And of course, our chair of the board of judges, none other than Sir Raul Zambrano Prema. And again, thank you so much, Ma'am, to LGU, my very once again to Ma'am Donna for having me here. And of course, this Sadyaw sa Pag-iusap 2024 will not also be possible without the undying love and support of the 14 barangays here in our progressive municipality of Naver. So to our Punong Barangays, please stand up to be recognized, of course, by our audience. We have the Punong Barangay o Barangay Nagkaron, Honorable Marilo G. Orejenes. Palakpak guys! Patawag na Vernon, palakpakin ninyo yung mga kapitanes. We also have the Punong Barangay o Barangay Tayaga, Honorable Arnel P. Laurena. And of course, the Punong Barangay o Barangay Wonky, Honorable Rachel Forcadelia. The Punong Barangay o Barangay Taiwan, we have Honorable Reggie Biling. Guys, today ang pagpalakpak. And of course, the Punong Barangay o Barangay Orbes. Your timer starts now.
panahon na ano, umas akong pagpangisa uban sa akong pamilya, hatagan ng papamilya maayong panawas, aron maksugakot sa pagpamilya ko ni Amin. Imo akong gitabangan. Pinaagi kang Senyang San Pedro Claver, dili ka dyan ako itugot na gubunda uton ang kaligatan, kay maupin niya ang hinungdan sa atong kalambuan. Amen. Ako, ikaw, kitang tanan, magkalimuha, para sa kalambuan ng gato ng Claver.
Ang gabi ang mga biyayang natin na may kapal sa
Viva Señor San Pedro Claver,
That was contingent number 11. And you got 6 minutes and 59 seconds. Happy good caps, Arlene. Okay. So contingent number 11 is all the way from Barangay Bagakay, of course, presented by Derpunong Barangay, Honorable Sarlin L. Roble, Coordinator Noel B. Oposa, Choreographer Ever Langit, Assistant Choreographer Tristan Belleta, Festival Queen Beatriz A. Manakay. Okay, that was contingent number 11 from Barangay Bagakay. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome contingent number 12. Your timer starts now.
Dito sa bukid nga dinganlang barangay Sapa, adunay maanindot o matahom nga kaliguan nga ginganlan nila malinaw. Puno sa grasya o gugma ang ilang pagpanguyok ditong lugara kay aduna sila'y panginabuhi nga mao'y nakahatag sa ila sa inagdaw-addaw nilang panginahanglan. Lubi ang ilang panginabuhi. Usa ka adlaw, adunay usa ka tawo nga nangamas-tamas sa lubi. Tungod sa ilang pag-amping, wala kini nila pasagdi. Tungod kay ang maong lubi mo'y nakahatag sa ila sa dakong grasya sa panginabuhi. Nagkahiusa sila, ila kining umahan pag-ayo o gipalambo. Busa, ang Barangay Sapa maghalad sa adlaw pasalamat sa grasyang nadawa. Viva Senyor San Pedro Claver! Viva!
number 12. And of course, time consumed, you got 5 minutes and 23 seconds. Okay, thank you so much to contingent number 12, all the way from Barangay Sapa. Of course, spearheaded by their punong barangay, Honorable Analisa N. Galaura, Coordinator Antonio G. Papilieras Jr., Choreographer Anthony D. Cascara, Assistant Choreographer John Michael M. Aurelia, Festival Queen Maria Janica C. Ento. And now, ladies and gentlemen, before we're going to proceed to our next contingent, I would like to inform you all the schedules of activities in this year's Panagiusa Festival 2024. For September 8, sadyaw sa Panagiusa Street Dancing. Kaya ito lang itabo, 7 a.m. diriga po sa Clover Sports Plaza. And right now, our sadyaw sa Panagiusa Grand Showdown. And at 4 p.m., we will also be having our Vespera Mass and Procession at St. Peter Clover Parish. And at 9 p.m. at Clover Sports Plaza, we'll be also having our Vespera Extravaganza, presents James Reed and Bex Battalion and more. And on September 9 at 9 a.m. at St. Peter Clover Parish, we will be having our Misa Con Celebrada. And on 11 a.m. at Clover Sports Plaza, we will be having our Sadyaw sa Panagiusa Ritual Dance. And the most exciting part of the celebration, our Clover Music Fest presents Ben and Ben, of course, with Casey Dandingan and more. That would be on 3 p.m. po here at Clover Sports Plaza. And on September 10 at 6 a.m. here at St. Peter Clover Parish, we'll be having our Thanksgiving Mass. And on 8 a.m. at St. Peter Clover Parish, we will be having our Fluvial Procession. And on 7 p.m. live at the Garon Gym, we will have our Mayor Georgia Sinumbagay sa Claver. Grabe, kabongga kaayo sa mga activities. And also on September 11, we at 8 a.m. at Clover Sports Plaza, we will be having our Suruy-Suruy Ta sa Claver. And at 9 a.m. at Engineering Function Hall, we will have our Panagiusa Literary Competition. And by 3 p.m. po on September 11 here at Clover Sports Plaza, we will have our Kasala ng Bayan 2024. And of course, at 8 p.m. here at Clover Sports Plaza, I will be hosting this event. That would be the second Clover Central Elementary School alumni. 13! Your timer starts now!
dagat. Kasing-kasing nakiusap, lasya'y pasalamat sa lupa o sa dagat. Kagulan ka naman, palaging mo sa aking palatyon, ay sa panaman, sa ako hindi ko magkakaroon. Viva Señor San Pedro Claver, Viva Señor San Pedro Claver, sadyang sa palagi mo sa sadyang sa palagi mo sa Viva Señor, Viva Señor, Viva Señor San Pedro Claver, Viva, Viva, Viva Señor San Pedro Claver. Kasing-kasing nakiusap, lasya'y pasalamat sa lupa o sa dagat. Nagulan ka naman, palaging mo sa aking palatyon, ay sa panaman, sa ako hindi ko magkakaroon. Viva Señor San Pedro Claver, Viva Señor San Pedro Claver, sadyang sa palagi mo sa sadyang sa palagi mo sa sadyang sa palagi mo sa kagulan ka.
That was contingent number 13, and time consumed, you got 7 minutes. Okay, and our contingent number 13 is all the way from Barangay Cadiano, of course, is spearheaded by the Punong Barangay, Honorable Lucio Marianito, Coordinator, Honorable Joyce Arena, Choreographer Jay Flores, Festival Queen, Rinalyn Catanco. Thank you so much once again to contingent number 13 all the way from Barangay Cadiano. And now, ladies and gentlemen, Clavernons, let's welcome our last contingent, contingent number 14. Your timer starts now.
Love the bass.
dagat. Mga kasing-kasing nag-iusap, grasya'y pasalamat sa lupa o sa dagat. Kabanat kabanon, panakiusap ipagdaton, dahil sa panaban, sa atuhin kong mga patron. Viva Señor San Pedro Brother, Viva Señor San Pedro Brother. Sadyaw sa panagiusa, sadyaw sa panagiusa. Viva Señor, Viva Señor, Viva Señor San Pedro Brother. Viva, Viva, Viva Señor San Pedro Brother. Kasing-kasing nag-iusap, grasya'y pasalamat sa lupa o sa dagat. Kabanat kabanon, panakiusa ipagdaton, kaya sa panaban, sa atuhin kong mga patron. Viva Señor San Pedro Brother, Viva Señor San Pedro Brother. Sadyaw sa panagiusa, sadyaw sa panagiusa, sadyaw sa panagiusa. Kabanat kabanon.
Okay, that was contingent number 14, and time to soon you got 7 minutes and 45 seconds. And of course, our contingent number 14 is all the way from Barangay Latiig, and of course, is spread by Honorable Yurigardo Miliari, and of course, Coordinator Honorable Jeremy A. Vicente, Choreographer Alan L. Samporas, and of course, our Festival Queen, Miss Ana Rose A. Vicente.